Let's learn when to shut up. Let's learn where we should keep quiet. Let's know situations where we should not even talk. There are some battles in your life you should not even talk. You should just say sawa, ni sawa. Hivyo ndio unataka fanya. Hivyo ndio unaona kunakuwa sawa. Hivyo ndio kutakuwa just sawa. You should not complain, you should not mama, you should not raise your voice, you should not even defend yourself, you should not do anything. Na hizo situations paka uzijue ni gani. Situations that you have no control, nyamaza. Situations that you can't control how people react, nyamaza. Situations that you can't even defend yourself, because hata ukijidefend wewe ni mbaya, umeleboliwa wewe ni mbaya, nyamaza. Situations where everybody is on your case. Unajua kuna kuwaga a situation in life, vitu zote as work out zinakuamulia ni wewe. Kama this young man, ametoka koti, akashikwa tena nje ya koti saa hiyo. Unajua kwa nini ameshikiwa tena hapo? Because he can't shut up. Learn to shut up. Tafadhali. Learn where to keep quiet. Learn where you just nod. Learn where to say it's okay. Whatever has been decided ni sawa. Learn not to have a voice in some situations in your life. When things are in their thick of thickness, wewe nyamaza. When people accuse you of being lazy and you know you have tried your level best and things are not working, wewe nyamaza. Do not reply, do not defend, do not go out there to say, do not even remind them of who you are. Learn to shut up. Learn to understand where to shut up. Learn to shut up in situations unajua hapa you have no way out. Just shut up. Silence sometimes is the only answer needed. Tafadhalini. Have a good day.